event was a remarkable opportunity for us to showcase the diverse talents of our classmates. Despite the hectic preparation, it was truly rewarding to witness the growth and dedication of each class. This event was not only about the acting, it involved collaborative efforts of students, set designers, scriptwriters, and tech handlers, all working together to create a performance worthy of the stars. And of course, we cannot forget how we witnessed the spirit of unity and sportsmanship during our favorite Ignatian test. We witnessed outstanding displays of athletic and academic prowess, and the dance and singing competitions that brought forth captivating performances. We watched the support of our fellow housemates from Loyola as they cheered